Just for the record, how many contractual employees are under PCO right now?
Mr. Chair, we only have one contractual employee.
There were senators that questioned the previous Congress as well, yung 1,479 contractual employees who they see as trolls. Are they still existent?
Wala po. For the record, Mr. Chair, wala po kaming troll. No troll
this is
farm,
ano-
no troll army.
The graph that you presented, contractual, tama po, no? Only one. Pero contract of service, yung COS, medyo marami. What's the difference?
One contractual namin is project-based. Yung 111 are working talaga under the PCO pero hindi pa approve yung kanilang plantilla under DBM.
So naka-job order sila,
Yes.
most of them.
Yes, sir. They're employed under the different clusters. Meron sa kanila, sir, sa media. Meron naman sa external affairs. Meron din sa production. Meron din po sa digital media.
That's very important as well, no? We asked you tungkol sa trolls, issue yun last Congress, but now we understand also that we need to get more employees for content creation. Especially, we need to disseminate information regarding the accomplishments of the president and the administration.